Hey friends, welcome to a brand new video of my career Q&A. So getting to know school students better is my today's video. So could you please help me connect with you better since it has been ages that I visited my school. Actually, I'm getting nostalgic all over again. So some powerful questions on school and learning, friends and relationship, experience and interest, and some scenario based questions. So please give me the opportunity to know you guys better, and after answering them, please email me them on mycareerqa@gmail.com. I sincerely hope that you really enjoy answering my questions. Let's begin. Hey friends, so I really hope that you are really doing awesome in school, and if not, then don't worry. Your actual life will really start after school. Trust me on that. While I was making this video, I was really thinking about my school days, and really, I went into nostalgia for some time. Anyways, so I'm giving you some topics on your introspection. I really hope that these questions were never asked to you in school, even by your teachers and your parents. Right? So I've divided the questions into some sub-segments. The first is school and learning. I'll not read all the questions, but I'll just read the first three. Please answer the questions and send them at me at mycareerqa@gmail.com. So let's begin with the questions. The first one is, what isn't a subject in school that you think should be? How would you teach it? The second is, what is your favorite subject in school? Tell me about the best project or activity you have ever done in that subject. And the third is, if you could outlaw one thing in school, what would it be? And the rest questions follows. Don't worry, I'll really move very slowly so that you can take the note of the questions. I know it's a long list, right? But hey, to know you guys better, I really needed to go that extra mile. Now, the next segment is friends and relationship. So the first three questions under this segment are, what makes a good friend? What do you think? The second is, do you think social media helps make or maintain friendship? If yes, why? If no, why not? And the question number three, if your friends could have a clubhouse, what would it look like and why? And the rest questions follows. I know some questions are a bit weird, right? But please answer them. It also gives you a chance to introspect on your own soul, and also it will give me the chance to know you guys better, since it has been ages that I was in school. The next sub-segment is your experiences and your interests. The first three questions under these are, what's your favorite song right now? The second is, can you recommend any TV shows or YouTube videos to me? And the third is, what is your first memory and what can you remember? Any first memory of yours? And the rest questions follows. I hope you're really finding it interesting to answer these questions, right? As these questions have never been asked to you. And I really know this. So I'm scrolling very slowly. And the last segment is the scenario based questions, right? So the first three questions under this segment are, if you could time travel to any year in the past or future, which would you choose? Why? What would you do? The next is, if someone were to make a movie about your life right now, what do you call it? Which actors do you want in this movie? And question number three is, what superpower would you want to have? How would you use it? And the rest questions follows. I really hope that you answer these questions very promptly. I'm slowly scrolling down so that you can have a note of the questions. You can pause the video whenever you like. So, we have reached the end of the file. So, I really hope that you enjoyed answering these questions. And if you have really enjoyed it, please answer them and send it to me at mycareerqa@gmail.com. Please don't forget to mention your name. Good luck and bye bye. So, are you craving for more videos like this? Subscribe now to my channels at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. You can also follow my site at www.mycareerqa.com. So, until next time, take care. See you soon.